Hello everyone. Today our class English Conversation Practice. General knowledge answer question. How many countries in the world? About 152. Which animal is big? The lion. Which animal is very small? Ant. How many countries in the world? 7 countries. How many population in the world? 8 million. Who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Shehbaz Sharif. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who is our national poet? Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam. Which bird is the king of bird? Eagle. Prime Minister Gandhi. Which language is international language? English is international language. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment on the video if you don't understand. We meet soon. Thank you.